This assessment asks us to predict the reagents required to form this product in a Diels-Alder reaction. The Diels-Alder reaction uses heat as its only, I don't know, it's not really a reagent, but that's what we would put underneath the arrow. And it's going to be the reaction of some kind of diene with some kind of dienophile. So we can start here. I notice the double bond in my product. That double bond is on the two carbons that were the central two carbons of the former dienes. That would be these two carbons here. I notice there's nothing on the bottom carbon, but on the top carbon there is a methoxy group, and so I'll have a methoxy group on this carbon. It is on a dash, which means it used to be an outer substituent on this molecule. So the methoxy group is on the outer substituent on our diene. Our dienophile is a cyclic dienophile, and it has cis stereochemistry in the product, which means it must have had cis stereochemistry in the starting material as well. And so our cyclic ester, or we sometimes call it a lactone, must have been our dienophile. So these are the reagents that are needed for this particular Diels-Alder reaction to form this particular product with this regio and stereochemistry.